Okay, Toby, so paper 2 in November, you got 56 in, which was the weaker of the two papers as far as your marks went. So this is the one that you need to work on. Let's see how you get on with this. So 246. Right, you're going to lose a mark here because your calculator doesn't know the context of the question, so it doesn't realise you're working in money, so it won't put in the 0 for the pence. But you do know you're working in money, so you would put a 0 in there for £246.30. So these are right, your addition is right, but you lose the mark because you need that 0 there. That's right, so 5 for that page. 112 is good. Here you've missed one out because the answer is 32. So 2, 4, so that's 6, 7, 12, 14, 16, 20, 25, 26, and 6 is 32. So that is correct, but there's only one mark for it, so I can't give you anything there. 16, 10, 13, 15 is correct, so you get 6 on that page. 68 is right, that's right, and that's right. 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 6, 4, 5, a quarter. 4 doesn't go into 22. 11 is the one that's missing there, so you lose one mark there. 7460, 7000, good. Okay, so with this one, 1-4 is correct. These you've got the wrong way around. It's -5, then -2. You always travel in the X direction first, then in the Y direction. Total for the page 3, 4, 6, 7. G and B, A and D, P and V, well done. Okay, take my protractor. So 26 is fine. 98 is a little bit low. You've got 95 there. 98 would be there. So I don't know how much of a tolerance they would give on that. You're not very far out, but you're a little bit out. I'm going to give you the 1 mark. That one's right. You may get 2 marks for that. But use a pencil. This one, right, that's not right. You messed up there. Basically what you need to do here is use a compass. So you draw your 13 centimeter line there, then you get your compass and you open your compass to 9 centimeters, and then you put that on the point and you draw an arc. Anywhere on that arc is 9 centimeters. Then you get your compass and you open it to 12 centimeters, and that's what this line needs to be. So you put your compass point on there and you draw your top arc there, and where the 2 cross will be 9 centimeters from that point and 12 centimeters from that point. So there's not enough there with your method to earn you any credit. So 1 mark for that page. 75 is correct. Now here, vertical and horizontal is correct, but with a rectangle there are no diagonal lines of symmetry, so you cancel out what you've got right there. Now, this is interesting. You've done the maths right, but what you've actually written down there is wrong. It's either 86 pence or it's £0 86. What you've actually written is less than a penny, 0.86 of a penny. So that is wrong. You're only going to get penalised 1 mark there, but it's a careless mistake that you need to be careful about. With this one it's okay, you've got 42p and 7.75. So that's good, so that's 10. Good page, Toby. 59 is correct, 6 out of 20, well done. 7 marks there, that's really good. What do we got? 28, 20, 4 times is correct. And here, you've got the 525. No. Just like you've worked out that that's 4 times there, what you need to do here is another divide to work out how many times bigger it is. So your method is wrong because you're going to subtract, not a divide. So I can't give you the marks for that. Nevertheless, another 10 marks for the page. 3 is correct. 8. 7x take 21. 18. 4p minus 8q. Here, it's not 3x times as big, it's just 3x centimeters longer. So what you need there is a plus, and if that was there, then you get it right. But this is really good. That's not right. Q. So you got P, Q, R, S is right. So you got one of them right. Take a look at my video clip. I've drawn little sketches of each of them to help you see what you need to have done there. 8 marks for the page. This looks good. Yeah, that is good. That angle is right, that angle is right, and F is right as well. Bearing of Blackpool from Holyhead is wrong with you. Blackpool from Holyhead means you are standing at Holyhead. What you have worked out is the bearing of Holyhead from Blackpool. Okay, so it's this angle that you needed to work out here. So you got the first one wrong, but the next one, the harder bit, you've actually got right. So well done. So here you've got 250. That's perfect. Well done. 8 marks for that. This is a really good paper with you. That is bang on. Well done, Toby. Okay, so we got 57.75, 387.75. Sam's is cheaper, which is great, but you haven't answered the question because it says how much cheaper, and you haven't done that last bit. So you've done all the hard work. You're going to get 3 out of 4. This is good. Use a calculator to work out what that is. Marks for that. Right, so 1.94 times 24. Okay, that's right. Now what you have to do is add those up and then divide your answer by 107. Okay, mean of group data. We'll do some practice on that, but what you've done there is right. This one, that's 1.375. 1.4 is too big. 1.3 is too small. 1.35 is too big. So 1.3 is well done. 4, 6. Superb, Toby. 5, 11, 14, 21, 25, 26, 36, 46, 54, 62, 67, 74, 80. Well, that's absolutely rock solid grade C. If you can keep that up, then that would be a C, no problem at all. Let's see if you can. I'm really, really pleased to see that. Well done, Toby.